Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I got quite a few questions about the fact that Google is going to start deleting Gmail accounts starting December 1st. And many were wondering exactly what will be deleted and if YouTube videos linked to the account will be deleted. So even though they are linked and tied to the same account, usually, there is a separation between YouTube accounts and videos and Gmail accounts, which makes it possible for Google to remove Gmail accounts without deleting the videos on YouTube. So it wasn't clear because at the first post, Google did mention that they would delete even the YouTube content, and that made a lot of people worry about the content on YouTube that might never come back, or there's a lot of stuff on YouTube that actually is either from retired YouTubers that don't do anything anymore, some from people that might be have passed away, and content that we might want to preserve. YouTube is becoming an interesting major archive of life and of not only videos of what's happening now, but an archive of old shows, old content that might have gone away totally if you left it in the hands of, say, the networks that actually created the content in the past. And of course, YouTubers that created stuff over all of the years of YouTube, from the first video ever. This is something that most people want to be preserved. So it pretty much is clear that YouTube content will not go away. So if you were worried about that, or if you had an account, don't remember anything about it, or maybe you posted videos in the past and you're like, yeah, but I like the videos to stay there, but I don't care about my account. Well, the videos are going to be there. One of the things also to understand is that a lot of the videos, of course, have ads. So, there's monetization going on with the videos. So Google actually has an advantage in keeping all those videos online, as, there's some monetization going with it. The Gmail accounts, though, and the photos that you might have stored, anything in Google Drive, things like that, are all going to be deleted. This is technically a money pit. You're keeping accounts that are going to actually just do nothing with content in the cloud that is basically costing Google money. So, it's not a bad idea to do a cleanup. Last but not least, the other thing that a lot of people are wondering, well, what about these emails? Are going to be used again? And nope. Google has firmly said that every email address that actually were linked to an account will never be available again. So that means if you were worried that maybe a Gmail that is deleted, in 6 months from now or a year from now, somebody will use that email and try to fool people into thinking, they're whoever they were, is not going to work. Google knows that there's a security hazard to that. So the emails are not going to be available. You won't be able to use them again. Just like on YouTube. On YouTube, if you've ever created a YouTube channel and shut it down, most of the time that YouTube channel name is not available anymore because it was once something. So it has to do with security in the most part. So this is the news we have. So YouTube content should still be there, even of deleted accounts, as they say. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.